just started raining and quite gusty wind. You can see by the wisteria moving. And this is when you start to lose the apples. If you look at the tree, how nice it is. You know, that's a lot of apples for such a young tree. And I'm just praying that they don't get knocked off, because they're really, I've eaten one of them that has fallen off, and it was fine, but it's far too small. Really, it needs another, I would say. 6 weeks would be good if the branches hold out, but doesn't it look good? But you can see there'll be sudden gusts of wind. It's silent. Now I've told you there'll be gusts of wind that stopped. But the rain's been battering on the garden. Doesn't it look nice though?